my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a homemade vanilla body scrub with few ingredients that you can get in the comfort of your home. So most of the ingredients that I'll be using today is avocado oil, olive oil, raw organic coconut virgin oil, vanilla extract, sweet almond oil, and then I'll be using brown sugar and some white sugar. So I'm going to be needing the half cup of brown sugar, half cup of white sugar, this scrub is going to help to get rid of any dry and flaky skin. It's going to help remove dead skin cells. Smells really good. I can smell the vanilla on it. So what this scrub is going to do is going to help with your for someone that has dry, irritated skin. It's going to remove dead skin cells. It's going to help with skin rejuvenation, like make your skin look very young and youthful. It's good for if you have ingrown hairs. You know how after shaving, sometimes there's this little hairs that comes out that can even form spots and blackheads. So it's going to help to remove ingrown hairs, and you have to use it on a wet skin. Only use it on a wet skin. Maybe if you're in the shower after wetting your skin, then you could just rub it all over. Scrub it for about maybe 5 minutes on all over your body on a wet skin before you now wash it off. Don't wash it off with soap, so that because you want the oil to settle on your skin to just kind of retain that moisture on your skin. Another thing I like about this scrub is it lightens dark spots. If you have dark spots or scars on your skin, because from removing dead skin cells over time, it will help to lighten dark spots on your skin. It's very rich in antioxidants, which prevents reverse skin damage caused by free radicals. So you just apply it all over. Oh, this smells really good. Oh my goodness, smells good. So guys, I hope you like the video. So when you finish, you just store it in this jar. You can even make more if you want, and just leave it on a room temperature in a shelf. This scrub can last for up to 4 weeks, and oh, it smells really good. So this is how the scrub will look like this when you finish. Just store it in a room temperature in a shelf for about 4 weeks. Guys, you don't need to go to the shop to buy body scrub. You could just make it just like I did. Very easy, less than 5 minutes in the comfort of your home. and the result is very effective and it smells gorgeous. Could imagine relaxing in the evening like this with this scrub. You feel so relaxed and you have a very good sleep after that because it improves circulation all over your body. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button for more juicy videos like this. I love you so much, guys, and thank you so much for watching.